Now I am coming to the different menu, that is image gallery. Inside this image gallery you can see if you have any saved photograph. You can save the photograph by clicking this toggle switch like this way. Just now click a photograph like this way. It has been saved. Now you can see the saved photograph from image gallery. Here is the photo which was not present in the previous option. Now it is the scale. You can set the scale. This is the scale, that is 37 to 28. It is the minimum and maximum temperature inside this display. You can set the scale by your own need. It is emissivity. Emissivity is the is something which is generally used to measure temperature in thermal imaging camera. So if you want to get the accurate result of any different place like copper, aluminium, wood or plastic or etc., you can set, if you have to change this emissivity option. Otherwise just let it as it is, as automatic option, that is user defined, that is 0.95. Now come to the palette. Palette is this instrument has 8 different palette. You can see that these are the palette: gray, in iron, raw, cold, hotspot. These are the different palette. You can change it from here this way. Now I am coming to the image type. If you want to get the image, change the image type, it is already said that it is infrared image. You can change into the real image also, like this way. If you want to set real image, it will convert it into the real image like this way. It will show you the real image inside this camera. Now we will change the real image into thermal image. Here is the option as configuration. You can see the setting option. Setting, there are 4 setting: country setting, set time and date, temperature unit, and power on off, power saving option. After the super resolution, if you want to get detail of a specific image, you can on this super resolution option. So inside this super resolution option you can get more details of a specific infrared image. Save JPG option is also an option that if you want to save and transfer this normal image, that is JPG image, you can save it from here. Connectivity, it has a connectivity option as Bluetooth and wireless LAN. Using this wireless LAN, and you can connect any Android phone with this thermal imager, and from Google Play Store you can download Testo Thermography app. Using that app you can see the direct image from this thermal imager to your Android smartphone. Using the Bluetooth you can add different sensor like temperature sensor or humidity sensor. That is also, that should be come from Testo brand also, that can be connect with this Testo 872. It is the ambient condition, what I show you before also, that ambient temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, which is set automatically, and humidity is 50%, which is set automatically. You can change it by yourself also. Now I am coming to the other option like info. From info you can see the details of this instrument like data, model number, serial number, zoom, etc. Other thing is like full scale mode. If you on this full scale mode, this scale will be removed from your display this way. You can access the total skin, and here is the reset option. If you reset this, it will be reset first counter, after that factory, after that format. If you format this, all your saved image will be formatted. Thank you.